Marriage is a commitment to life. It's the best that two people can find and bring out in each other. It offers opportunities for sharing and growth that no other relationship can equal. It's a physical and an emotional joining that's promised for a lifetime. Marriage deepens and enriches every facet of life. Happiness is fuller, memories are fresher, commitment is stronger. Marriage is a promise, a potential made in the hearts of two people who love each other, and it takes a lifetime to fulfill.
Wash over me, let me fall from my surroundings. Take over me, I will never wash your memory. If only for a moment. Oh, this could be my last chance. Sail on with me, up here we know we're safe from the crashing wind. And talk to me from the lungs of the air your heart is breathing. If only for a moment. Oh, this could be my last chance. In the grip of your arms, far from where I know. Want to see the other side. Show me where to go.
These are the hands of your best friend, young, strong and full of love for you, that are holding yours on your wedding day, as you promise to love each other today, tomorrow and forever.
I, Jade King,
Do solemnly and sincerely declare.
do solemnly and sincerely declare
I know
thank you,
that I know of no legal impediment
that I know of no legal impediment
to my marrying this man, Karl Ship,
to me marrying this man, Karl Ship,
Jade, I give you this ring
as a token of my love
as a token of my love
and as a symbol
and as a symbol
of the vows and promises we have made to each other today.
of the vows and promises we have made to each other today.
It's my privilege and pleasure to pronounce that you, Karl, and you, Jade, are now husband and wife. So may your first act as a married couple be to share a kiss. Yay!
Far from where I know. Want to see the other side. Show me where to go. Oh, this could be my last chance.
Come on, come on, come on. Hopefully, I don't need an introduction, but it is my great pleasure to make the father of the bride speak. We have watched Jade grow with great pride. We've seen her grow with Karl, and we've seen her steps to bring Ava and Henry with us as well. With all the chaos in the world, let us just savour this moment to look forward. Sue and I, we wish Jade and Karl all the happiness, security that they wish for themselves, and even more. So please charge your glasses. A toast to the bride and groom. The bride and groom.